Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use the Instagram Edits mask feature in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is open your Instagram Edits application. In order to go ahead and use your mask feature in Meta standalone Instagram Edits app, you must layer two videos using the overlay tool. So I'm going to simply go ahead and open a project that I have going on. I'm going to go ahead and delete that because why not? And add a video. Let's just say, for example, that one right here. Okay. Now, I can simply go ahead and tap on the overlay section, which is going to be down here. And now I'm going to simply go ahead and click on gallery. And let's just say I want to add, for now, this video right over here. Okay. Now, it is a overlay, as you can see right over here. Right, I'm gonna go ahead and make it big enough for the screen. All right, there you go. Now what I can do is simply go ahead and tap on the video that I want to mask out, and what I can do is simply go ahead and look for the mask feature. Finally, once you've done that, you can simply go ahead and split. Okay, never mind, I wanted to do that on the top layer. So what I can do now is simply go ahead and tap on the mask feature, and now I can choose split. If I want to, I can simply go ahead and show how much of the video I want. This could be used for before and after transitions. You can also have shutter, so just like that, you can go ahead and reveal how much of the video you want. You can have ellipse, which is gonna go ahead and work just like that. You can make like a clothing or non-clothing effect right over here by just moving it around. Couple of things that just got into my mind, and there's a rectangle that you can go ahead and work with. So it is as simple as that. You can work with it any way you want. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.